How to track Google Ads conversion. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Welcome back to my channel where we help you improve your online business. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic that every online marketer needs to know about: tracking Google Ads conversion. If you are running Google Ads, it's vital to keep track of your conversions to optimize your ads and get a better return on investment, ROI. You would want to know which keywords, ads, and campaigns are driving sales and which ones are not. This way, you can tweak your ads to ensure maximum ROI. So, let's dive right into it and learn how to track Google Ads conversion. Before we dive into the details of tracking Google Ads conversion, let's first establish what it is. Google Ads conversion is the act of making the desired action on your website after someone clicks on your ad. This action could be making a purchase, filling out a form, or even downloading content. Google keeps track of all the conversions for you, but you need to set up conversion tracking on your website. Setting up Google Ads conversion tracking is quick and straightforward. First, you need to create a conversion action that defines what you want to track. Then, you need to add the tracking code on the page where the conversion action takes place. If you are not familiar with coding, don't worry, you can use Google Tag Manager to set up conversion tracking. There are different ways to track Google Ads conversion, and the one you choose will depend on your business goals. For example, you could use website tracking, call tracking, or app tracking. With website tracking, you can track online sales, form submissions, or other conversions that happen on your website. With call tracking, you can see how many calls your Google Ads generated. With app tracking, you can track when someone installs your app or makes an in-app purchase. After setting up conversion tracking, you can view the data on your Google Ads dashboard. Here, you can see how many conversions each ad, keyword, or campaign generated. You can also pull out a report and analyze the data to see what's working and what's not. Once you have analyzed the conversion data, you can start optimizing your Google Ads for better conversion. You can make changes to your ads, keywords, or even landing pages to make them more relevant to your target audience. You can also adjust your budget to focus on the ads that generate more conversions. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can track Google Ads conversion and optimize your ads for maximum ROI. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.